Hey, it's Rick. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how I print custom neck tags for my brand. I like to lay out all my shirts so I've got everything organized, starting from small to 2XL. I've already sewn the hem tags on these, so they're ready to go. This is the platen I've created for this. It's 2 pieces of 3/4 inch thick plywood glued and screwed together, then cut into 6 separate sections using a scroll saw. I used a router to knock out the grooves on the top, and this is where the hem of the shirt will sit down into, making sure it doesn't interfere with the print. Here's a diagram outlining the size. It's roughly 15 inches long and 14 inches wide. The platen has already been prepped with pallet tape and water-based adhesive to hold the shirts down. I like to leave the tags on the shirts as I place them. It helps with locating the center. I find it difficult to get the placement perfect. If you have trouble with the print coming out crooked, one piece of advice would be to make the design round in shape, making it harder to notice if it's slightly misaligned. Once I load all 6 positions, I'll rip the tearaway tags off. Make sure you're paying attention when you do this. It would really suck to print the wrong sizes on your shirts. For these tags, I'm going to be using water-based ink. These are Green Galaxy inks, plus a silicone additive I'm testing out here for the first time. The silicone additive is supposed to make it softer. I've mixed 50% gray for this. It's less likely to show through the back of the shirt than pure white. Gray ink could also be used on every other shirt color, except of course a shirt of the same color gray. Once the ink's ready, it's time to load the screen and print some shirts. These blanks are next level 3600s. I've tried using one large squeegee to cover all 6 positions, but I had consistency issues. The squeegee would catch on the raised squares of the platen. After printing, it's time for a run through the conveyor dryer. Here's all 50 shirts done and ready to be decorated. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.